So, hey, Allie, thank you for sharing. Those are all awesome points, and you are exactly right. So, because you're right, professors are all very, very different, and the students would have no clue. I tell them about my policies. They always want to know, are your exams hard or are your exams easy? This is before they take the test. And I will tell them, well, all my exams are easy for me. I wrote it. So maybe you want to ask me a different question than whether my exams are easy. So during those conversations, what I will tell them, I tell them what content is on the exam, what they should study for the exam, how many questions there are, how many points are on each question. But I also will tell them is that I design my exams so that the average is a 70. So if my average hits somewhere in the 70s, then I am hitting correctly, because that means if you got a 70, you knew an average amount of the material. But the other thing that I do is that if I unfortunately, sometimes write an exam and it's harder than I thought it would be because there's a topic that I thought the students knew better, I will sometimes adjust the grades. But I do that because I made a mistake when I wrote the exam. So I don't call it curving. I typically would call it grace and mercy for them, because we all need grace and mercy. But you are exactly right. I will review exams with you. I will review quizzes with you. I will review homework with you, because I'm that kind of professor. So if you need help, you can come to my drop-in hours, office hours, whatever you want to call it, and get help. But I tell you about my grading policy in advance, because I hated being at Georgia Tech and not knowing if my F was enough for me to pass the class. My goal is to teach and for you to learn. And that does not happen if everybody in the class is getting an F. That means I need to teach better and I need to write better exams. Thank you for sharing. Stay STEMtastic.